Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use split screen for multitasking on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. To enable the split screen on your smartphone, first we're gonna have to open one application on our smartphone, for example this Google Play Store, and then what you're gonna have to do is swipe it up like this and move it to the top left corner of your screen to enable the split screen menu. Now to use it, you're gonna have to open the second application and split the screen between these two apps. Using this bar between the applications, you'll be able to resize each window, making it either bigger or smaller relatively to the other one. And now we can use two applications at once. If you want to, you can grab the three-dot icon next to an application and either change its position on the screen, or if you want to, you can release it and use it in a floating window mode. Now, if you want to put it back into the split screen mode, you're gonna have to tap this three-dot icon at the top of the window and select split screen. And that's it, basically. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.